God, guys. Man, I almost lost my drone today. So I come to the park. I go and get some really nice shots of Diamond Head. I was trying to test the range. So I put it on sports mode. I book it all the way to Diamond Head. Halfway through, I realized, oh my God, I might not make it back. I aimed it towards my location. I put it back on sport and I booked it again. I literally landed about 45 seconds before the battery died. So lessons learned, when the battery's at 50%, start bringing it back. That whole thing made me hungry, so I'm just gonna go eat something. Te dije que no te muevas, te estás moviendo. ¿Ves? Siente bien, no juegues. Risa. You look so pretty. Ay, qué bonita, mi nena. Mira la Risa, qué bonita. Mira qué pechocha, mamá. ¡Oh! So hyper.
それからというもの、タヌキは毎晩やってきて糸車を回す真似を繰り返しました。いたずらも忍者がかわいいな。Come on. Come on. Come on. おめでとう。
No los bajes los pies. No los bajes. No los pongas en el suelo. Ponlo derecho. Así. Así. Esta para arriba y esta para abajo. Así. Y ahora cambia. Así. 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 Sí. 1, 2. Síguele. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dale. No voy a contar si no están derechas. 5, 5, 5, 9, 10. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. The girls got up early and made some non-keto pancakes for them. And since we had the pan out here already, maybe we got the idea to start cooking some bacon, some vegetables, and some eggs for me. And so we're gonna kill this. We're waiting for the laundry to get done, and then we're gonna try to go explore the island a little bit. There's still a few places that we haven't visited. I figure we've been here about 20 years, so it's time to make sure we got everything done at least once. Hey guys, last time I tried to use the GoPro, I lost the footage because I was messing around formatting cards and I accidentally formatted this one. So this time I'm gonna try to vlog all day with the GoPro.
This is video, Papi.
Alright guys, we came to the Honolulu Museum of Art's Spalding House. I saw this one when I was scanning Google Maps a couple of times, and since I've never heard of it, I got curious, so here it is. Hi guys, welcome to my new vlog. I just want to tell you guys how excited I am that you can see me. Yeah? Oh, muy bien. Ooh, muy bien. She knows how already. In the house. Oh, look at this. Somebody's butt and hair bun. Hello. Hi, do you guys have a military discount or anything?
Free today.
Oh, yeah. Perfect timing. Nice. It's just coincidence or every Sunday?
Every third Sunday of the month.
Every day. Oh, wow. That's the second time, yeah?
Have you been before?
No, first time. So we saw it on Google Maps and wanted to check it out.
This is the main gallery.
Okay.
For the children.
Oh, nice.
Well, you can do it if you want.
Yeah.
Artwork,
I want.
drawing, painting. I mean, your two little ones.
Yeah.
At 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, the storytelling.
Oh, okay.
And they're
Where
doing
is that inside here?
No. If you go along the path here, down the steps, and you'll see a little house. It's in there.
It's in there. Okay. Where are you from? Can I ask?
Huh?
Where are you from? Where's your accent from?
England.
England. Nice. So fancy.
Where's yours from?
Oh yeah, Mexico
Nice.
and Japan right here. Are they allowed to paint this or to draw here? Oh wow.
Yeah, paint.
Megu, write your name. Don't embarrass me in front of everybody. Oh, fancy. Look at that. This is what they do for fun at their house. Calligraphy day, yeah! Wow, look at the view.
Oh, nice.
This must have been somebody's house, huh? They probably donated it to the museum, huh? Yeah. Ooh.